This tutorial will show you how to access the Sage Journals database within the university library. To get started, you want to begin from your classroom and click the Writing Center and Library link. Click the Library tab, and you will be taken to the Library One search, the library homepage. From there, you have several buttons underneath the search field, and you're going to click on Journal Articles. Sage Journals Online is our topic for this tutorial. And when you click that link, it brings you to the Sage Journals area. This is where you can start searching for an item of interest, a topic of interest, a problem of interest, or we can search specific journals. In this situation, we're going to look for journals about education. To get started, we click on the Browse tab at the top. And we're taken to a screen that lets us start exploring disciplines. Do not click the Explore Discipline hubs. Instead, click on Select a Discipline. Now, you don't see education here in these 4 disciplines. Education is within social sciences and humanities. So we're going to click that. And now we're going to select within social sciences and humanities. Now we can select education. We still have many journals around education within the Sage Journals. There's a lot of material here. So from there, we want to identify journals related to our field of interest. So if we say, for example, leadership and education, it pops up with 4 journals that are related to leadership in education. If I want to perhaps search on higher education, it gives me, looks like 5 journals around higher education. And if I hit the Enter key, then there they are. Those journals are presented here for me. Say I'm interested in Higher Education for the Future journal. I want to search that one. And I want to just kind of look around in this journal. So I'm going to say Browse Journal, Current Issue. And within this current issue are several articles in the most recent issue available in this journal called Higher Education for the Future. Now I can also search all issues if I want to. I can search previous issues. I can just kind of look around inside of this journal by browsing in this manner. Or I can actually find a topic within this journal, Higher Education for the Future, by going up to the search box at the top, and I click the search tab, and I can search within this journal, or I can search all the Sage journals within the Sage database. I just want to search this journal, Higher Education for the Future, and I'm going to type in faculty. Whoops. And see what I get. And notice that there's several articles here that are offering me information about faculty. And I can go ahead perhaps and click on this one, and it takes me into that article. Now, if I want to go back up to the search level and I want to search all journals, and I want to search for a keyword, again, faculty, training maybe. Let's see what comes up. Okay, so here's several articles around faculty training right here. And this is searching all journals. So again, this was merely an introduction to Sage Journals and the wealth of information within this database. Again, if we want to get to the all journal option, we click Search All Journals, and we're brought back to the main search page. And we can go in and say Browse. We want to select a discipline, again, social sciences and humanities, and education. And from there, you can look around and put in your search terms here for the journals that you are interested in. Thank you.